Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, the channel where passion meets performance. And today we're taking you into the stunning world of the BMW Z4, a car that doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. This is the modern interpretation of driving freedom, the kind of machine that brings back that raw, open-top thrill but blends it with high-end technology and unmistakable BMW attitude. So buckle up, because the Z4 isn't just a car, it's an experience that demands to be felt. The BMW Z4 is all about design that stands out. From the very first glance, you notice its long sculpted hood, the wide kidney grille, and those sharp LED headlights that look like eyes focused on the road ahead. It sits low, wide, and confident, like it knows it belongs at the front of the pack. The soft-top roof adds classic Roadster charm, folding down in just seconds, letting you enjoy that perfect mix of wind and engine sound that makes every drive feel alive. Whether you're cruising at sunset or pushing it down an empty highway, the Z4 just makes you feel connected to the moment. Under the hood, BMW delivers serious performance. Depending on the variant, you get engines that are smooth, fast, and incredibly responsive. The SDRIVe 30i brings turbocharged efficiency and quick acceleration, while the M40i takes things to a whole different level with its iconic inline-six engine. The power delivery is instant, the sound is addictive, and the handling is classic BMW sharp, precise, and full of confidence. The rear-wheel drive setup makes every corner exciting, giving you that playful roadster feel that reminds you why people fall in love with driving in the first place. Step inside, and the Z4 surrounds you with a driver-focused cabin. Everything feels crafted, from the premium materials to the sporty seats and the clean layout. BMW's iDrive system keeps everything within reach, giving you access to navigation, entertainment, and all the performance settings you need. It's modern but not overwhelming, luxurious but not distracting, a perfect blend for a car that's all about pure enjoyment. With the roof down, the cabin becomes an open-air cockpit, transforming every ordinary road into your personal escape. The BMW Z4 is more than just a roadster. It's a statement of style, freedom, and performance. It's for the drivers who don't just move from place to place, but want to feel every moment of the journey. If you're searching for a car that brings emotion back to driving, the Z4 is exactly where your heart will lead you. This is 91 Gearbox, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the BMW Z4, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive passion coming your way.